Well, unfortunately, whether we like it or not, it will be still dominated by oil and gas and coal. I would say 75 to 80%. And there will be some new ways to try to get some renewables, but I think still be a very dominated oil, coal, and natural gas industry.
Well, this is a very difficult question. If I think back 30 years ago, what we thought would happen today, everything has been different. But in general, if I have to make a forecast for the future, our hydrocarbon world would be more gas and less oil. I think that gas is prevailing in the competition between the two hydrocarbons.
In 20 to 30 years' time, I think the world of oil is going to look, it's going to be a much cleaner place to work. I think it will be a dynamic place full of innovative technology. I think it has to develop in that way because, as we all know, resources are becoming more difficult to find. Extracting hydrocarbons from the subsurface is ever more challenging. And more importantly, I think the industry has to place a better emphasis, a stronger emphasis on well integrity.
Well, at Shell, we have scenarios that look out 20 to 30 years, but also beyond, towards the middle of the century and even the end of the century. And so I can see a world in which energy consumption is going to grow significantly, probably by 80% out to 2050, 2060. But there are different ways that can grow. I think you'll see a lot more natural gas. In fact, by 2030, natural gas could be the largest single primary energy source in the world.
In 20 or 30 years from now, there's still a lot of oil. Maybe it goes then to the kind of peak level of production, but there will be especially a lot more natural gas. But even in spite of what many people think, even coal may grow. So what you see, total fossil fuels is higher than today. Having said that, total fossil fuels will have a lower market share because the energy demand in the world goes up a lot and the balance is by renewables.